on just a second. Now it's Craig here, Diggs Rod Shop, and Cassidy over there in the passenger side. We are getting ready to head to Tennessee, Lebanon, Tennessee. We're going to Triple Crown, and we've got the truck all ready to go. You know, one of these days I'm going to do a video of what it takes to get this old beast ready to go down the road. All the loading and it's just kind of all the stuff. I'll do one. It'll take about 30 minutes, I will tell you that. But anyway, we are ready. We are ready to hit the road. I've done my pre-trip. Yep, I got to run a logbook because I'm US DOT number on here. Hang on. Right there. And ACS of Iowa is my corporation's name anyway. And I'm Diggs Rod Shop, so that's what we do business as. Anyway, I'm going to turn everything around here, and I'm going to give you a shot of the old Freightliner right there. She's got her nice shiny wheels on her right there. Got the old Diggs Rod Shop trailer. I've already done my walk around. I checked all my air pressures. All the rubber's excellent on this thing, all brand new tires. That doesn't mean one can't blow out, but chances are slim. Here we go. Right there. So here's the deal. If you're in Triple Crown in Lebanon, Tennessee this weekend, stop by our booth. And how's that gonna go? I've actually got a little deal going. Hang on, I'm gonna get a little noisy here. Probably open a can of worms if I say this. Anyway, oh, about fell down. Actually, I did. So like us on Facebook, and then let's see, how do I do that? Because I got to put your name in a hat for a t-shirt and or a sweatshirt or anything that you want, hat, whatever. Anyway, so this weekend we're going to do that, and I'll throw that out there again, especially at Triple Crown. But like us, leave a comment and share, and I'll put your name in the hat for a t-shirt or whatever for Diggs Rod Shop. Anyway, we are ready to go. Turn you around real quick. There's the old GPS. That's a trucker's GPS, so it doesn't take us down gravel roads. And here we are, Diggs Rod Shop. Everybody's still working. Me and Cassidy. There's our bunk right there. Cassidy gets the bottom, I get the top there. Anyway, we're ready to rock and roll, and I have to put my phone down because I can't drive with it in my hand. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the road, and I'll give you a little bit of update here maybe later today or later tonight. We're taking off. It's about 4:15 Tuesday afternoon, so we're going to easily roll in there about Wednesday mid-morning, something like that, and we can get the truck in place. And my brother Mike and my brother Merle's going to come with us this weekend too, so it ought to be a good time. They're going to help us get this thing set up, and I am looking forward to Triple Crown. If you've never been there, I'm telling you what, it's like the premier creme de la creme, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's good to see these guys, Toby and let's see, Bobby Alloway and Gary Case, those guys, you know, throw those names out there. Great bunch of guys, really a great bunch of guys. We're on the road, me and Cassidy, and we're headed out. We'll see you at Triple Crown.